Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately by preparing the iPhone camera and position. Open Settings to confirm camera can scan QR codes because that setting enables the system reader. Once done, clean the lens quickly and choose steady, even lighting. Shadows confuse the sensor. Then, hold the phone 6 to 12 inches from the barcode so the camera autofocuses. This initial distance gets the image sharp, which is why you begin here rather than fiddling with apps. Now you'll perform the actual scan using the camera app. This is fast and native. Open camera in photo mode and point straight at the barcode. The camera will autofocus and a banner appears when recognized. Tap that banner to follow a link or view decoded text. Once tapped, the system hands data to the relevant app. If you plan to scan multiple items, use the Control Center scanner for continuous reads. Make sure to keep the phone steady. Motion blurs the frame and prevents detection. Finish by confirming the scanned result and taking the intended action. Open the link, copy text, or save the data. Double-check accuracy before relying on it. If you can't get a read, try toggling the flashlight, change angle slightly, and slow your hand. Sometimes restarting the camera app or the phone clears a glitch. For repetitive tasks, install a dedicated scanner app that keeps history and exports CSV. The key tip, if nothing works, reboot the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.